watching the Brits and I'm Monica Rathod. A big meeting of Shivraj cabinet will be organized in Madhya Pradesh on Tuesday, 28 September. In this meeting to be held in the minister late in the evening. Other topics including nutritional diet of Anganwadi children will be discussed. It is believed that the plant which prepare food for children in Anganwadis will be taken back from MP Agro and hand over to the Women Self-Help Group. Shivraj government can approve this proposal. According to the same minister sources, the 7 nutrient food plants can be held over to the Women Support Group. For the big decision can be taken in the cabinet. Taking a big decision of the self-help group by the Shivraj government, which come a power in the March 2020. After the overthrow, it was announced to take all these 7 nutritional food plants from MP Agro and hand them back to the help group. Apart from the permission can also be given for occasion of 4 lakh paddy. By the food department, let us tell you that the central government has refused to take the paddy in the central from, after which the Shivraj government can occasion 4 lakh tons of paddy. Let us inform that after the meeting of 2017-18 and 2019-20 by the central government, more than 4 lakh tons of paddy it left in the state. Let us inform that is the occasion for quintal of paddy is expected to be sold for the rate 1,400 to 1,800. Apart from this, the proposal to increase the temporary post in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department to 5 years can be discussed here. Beside the proposal to amend the recommended of the Council of Minister Committee in the said rules 2019. Apart from the approval of the collection agency of the collection of the toll tax on the 12 routes under Madhya Pradesh, Road Development Corporation can also be discussed. Along with the discussing can also be held on the construction of the sports village of the international level in the village string in the Bhopal through private parties. Stay tuned with us on the Blades for all such information and updates. Thank you.